month I've been working on decluttering before Christmas. And this is a minimalist and decluttering challenge with Organize with Joy. Please check out her channel and all the creators in the playlist. I did a lot of decluttering just to, not just to downsize, but to make things less messy for Christmas. And I'll show you what I got rid of. My husband brought in the fall flowers from outside. And some I'm going to keep. I mean, these are okay. I could use those another year, I guess. But these are really faded. I think I've used these 2 years. So I'm going to let them go. And this is a trash can. I think I'm going to let it go too, because there's one problem. I have 4 dogs in my house. And it won't stay shut. So I have a dog that's prone to get in the trash. So we're going to let that go. And we're going to let these go. I am to the point in my declutter journey that when I declutter stuff, you can start to tell a difference. Okay, we're still decluttering before Christmas, and I have a bunch of stuff I need to go through and see if I can get rid of. This I can get rid of. Some I'm gonna save for a garage sale. Others some of it I'll keep, but a lot of it I'm gonna get rid of before Christmas. I think I'll toss that in there. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that. I'll keep those. I'm gonna keep this because this is very popular. And I'm gonna keep this. I'm going to keep this. And of course this. And of course this I'll keep. Let's see what we can get rid of. I'm going to get rid of this. Let this one go. That's a definite. I think I'm going to let that one go. I may even let that one go. This one I'm not sure about. Oh, there's where all my tools went. I definitely can't get rid of those. And I think that's my husband's. There's my glue sticks. I can't get rid of those either. I don't know what this is. Oh, wow. I didn't even know I had these. Those would be pretty for future tablescapes. I didn't even remember I had them. And I think these 4 I can throw in the get rid of pile. Because I only do a tablescape for 2. And the rest I can put away in my trash room. I got rid of over half. And this, I think I'm going to organize them in an organizer. 2 boxes of ribbon and deco mesh. Another box of craft supplies, including 1 craft kit, lots of ribbon, and a couple table runners, and some napkin rings. You know, just odds and ends things that I just don't need, and I just need them out of my house. Decluttering. A couple precious moments and other little things that was in my curio cabinet, because I'm downsizing there too. Got a bag of odds and end party supplies that I'm getting rid of because I just don't need them anymore.